Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and I'm coming to you with a quick video. I got my Cult Crushes subscription in for the month of June, so I just wanted to share with you the products that I received. Haven't tried any of them yet because I literally got it today in the mail and I just wanted to get on here and show you. So here is the card that is sent as always, Cult Crushes. I will put the link below this video if you're interested in subscribing. The products that I have here today, I'm going to show you right now. So I was just looking at the card for the products, which they always put here on the back. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing that I have in my box is called Divine Collection Foil Tissue Patches. Extra firmness for the eyes, and there are two in here, which is technically a pair. Summertime's blah blah blah, 24 karat gold foil patches, and there's my phone, are here to help. They improve the appearance of your skin around the eyes and lips, providing all day hydration and firmness. So that is that. Now the next product that I have, and these are actually two masks that I got. This is the Avatar Shape Up Face Mask for delicate skin and the Avatar Even Out Face Mask. Get the skinny on smaller pores. So this one is for uneven skin and this one is for delicate skin, and this is pretty much self-explanatory. There are two sheet masks which I am excited to try out because I like sheet masks. So the next product I'm going to go into, and this I actually am looking forward to using. This is from Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. This has 1.5 salicylic acid acne treatment. I don't have acne prone skin, however my husband does, so he probably might get a kick out of this. Maybe I'll use it once in a blue just to see how it works, but I really don't have a problem with acne. However, I'm pretty sure that this may help with oiliness and things like that, so maybe I'll try it once in a blue. Next product, and this one I saw I was pretty excited. This is from, I guess, Gulsha. This is Gulsha Ultimate Rose Water, and this is toner for pure, radiant skin, paraben free, colorant free, blah blah blah, for all skin types. So this is pretty much a toner, which I actually am happy about because I love rose water. Rose water is really, really nice, really beneficial to your skin, and it's a great hydrating mist. It wakes up your skin. You can spray it on several times during the day or what have you. So I'm really glad because my toner actually was running out, but this will probably keep me a little bit more, you know, until I decide to get another toner. This, however, I've never received in a subscription. These are from Hairfinity, well, Brock Beauty, Hairfinity Advanced Hair Care, and these are actually vitamins. So I'm looking here, let your hair grow long and your nails grow long. And this is a 7-day supply of vitamins. They provide your body with ingredients like vitamins A and D, niacin, biotin, and vitamins B12 to strengthen from the inside out. Although this is pretty cool, it's just a week. So I don't know, I've never understood that about samples of vitamins and things. I mean, you're really not going to know the benefits if it's literally a sample for a couple days or for a week, you know, but whatever, I'll take them anyway. But I doubt I'm going to see anything going on in 7 days. If I do, I'll buy the bottle and let you know. Okay, so the last product, this is from Suva Beauty right here. And this is the Suva Beauty Shimmer Shadow. Lighten and brighten your eyes by adding a touch of glitter. Perfect for a daytime or nighttime look. This pan of shadow has you covered. So this is a pressed shadow. I'm just trying to, I would like to open it so that I can see how it looks. Gosh, I hate these stupid little, and then I'm violent. I just end up breaking the whole thing. See, I did. Oh gosh. I totally, this eyeshadow's like disabled now. Damn. Oh well. I'm going to show it to you anyway. It's a pretty good size actually. Here's the color, which is, it's kind of like a bronzy. There you go. Ugh, I have it all over my fingers, but I will swatch it right here so that you can, this is really like a really pretty gold. Like a bronzy gold. That's really pretty. Very nice. I just feel so bad that my nail totally sunk into it right there. That's what happens when you're violent with your makeup. But anyway, so those are my products, guys. Really like this color. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. And again, I will put the link below if you're interested in the subscription. This is my second subscription, and so far, I like it. I think I liked last month's subscription a little more than this one. But however, I am happy that I did get the rose toner because I needed some toner. And that's about it. So I'll see you guys very, very soon. And I'll see you in the next video. Adios.